Hey, is your toilet taking forever to fill or not filling up correctly? It's probably your fill valve. That's really easy. Here's what's going on. Open up your tank. I got the whole replacement right here. Right, you're gonna flush the toilet. That's your fill valve right there. All right, flush is fine, right? Flush is fine. Now, look at all that water going down there. That water is not supposed to be doing that, and this thing is trickling. I mean, this thing's gonna take forever to fill. So first thing you wanna do is shut off your water source to your toilet. So that's this. It's turned like this, it's turned off. Now you gotta get all the water out of your tank. So you flush the toilet, that's gonna get most of it, but you're still gonna see there's still water there at the bottom. So you wanna get yourself a bucket. It doesn't have to be this big, but it has to be enough to catch the water. I'm just gonna grab myself a crescent wrench, and it's just a plastic nut. I'm gonna loosen it. And then once it's off, this thing will get loose and the water will all pour down into my bucket. Here's my bucket. All right, so then we're going righty to lefty loosey. Left. And actually all I needed was that one little thing to get it so that it's hand. I can loosen it by hand. Exactly, it's a little bit of a wet job. Don't freak out, it's just part of doing the job. There's our valve. I'm throwing it all in the bucket. So the way I picked my new fill valve was I looked at the number on the top of the cap of the original fill valve, and I matched that with this one. This is gonna go in, this is gonna go underneath. They're gonna make a seal thanks to this rubber gasket right here, so that way no water gets in and out. I will then connect the water line to the exposed piece of this so that we get water. Water will come in here, it'll come out this little tube here, fill up the tank, and we will have happy flushes and full tanks for everybody in the family. So I'm gonna put this bad boy in. All right, you see how it fits tightly right there? Now I'm gonna go down below and I'm going to screw it in. Hand screw it first until it's tight. Now you gotta be careful because it is plastic, so you don't want to break it. Just slide it. This kit comes with a teeny flow restrictor, a washer with a pinhole that limits water flow. It's there to save you water, which is great. Unless, of course, you have low water pressure. If your toilet's taking over 5 minutes to fill after flushing, that restrictor might be the culprit. Swap it out for a larger diameter flow restrictor, and that should do the trick. All right, so now that I have my gray adapter, I put my new fill hose on here. It also comes with this little clip. All right, I put the clip in here like so, and then that clips in to the back side of your filler, and you're set. All right, so now we're ready to turn on the water. Ready to fill up the tank. Now that our fill valve is installed, the kit is all installed, now we have to connect it to our water supply. All right, and this toilet has a bidet feature, so that's what this extra tube is. So, I got it like so. I'm gonna hand tighten right. Okay. All right, here we go. So here's your toilet. All right, so that part works. And you see the water is not coming out of the valve, it's coming out of the tube. That's where it's supposed to come out of. Before, it was coming down here. It was totally broken. And there you have it, easy peasy, guys. Anybody can do this job.